Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy here, Chandler Trades, and we're back. Day 4 of my live trading recap. This is me trading live, uncut, unedited, everything, bro. So you guys can get every little bit of, my emotions while I'm trading. By the way, Wednesday we didn't trade, so today is, let's back this up. Boom! Wednesday we didn't trade, so we are on the 26th now. Hopefully we can make some money, because this shit, man, we gotta make some money. We're $42 down on the funded, so yeah, let's get it, dude. So today, bias, bing, 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 bing. We got this 4-hour gap down here. Alright, I understand that. But I do like these highs up here. Also, on the 15-minute, we have this gap right here we haven't taken out yet. I can see us coming down to this hourly on NQ and coming back up to this gap here, maybe taking out this high. We do also have this 4-hour fair value gap up here that I can definitely see being tapped into today. If we end up running shorter than under here, I'm just gonna sit out again and take today off, because if we end up inversing this hourly, the only thing I can see us doing is tapping into this 4-hour gap. Now if we dump immediately off market open, we could find a trade back up to these highs, but we'd have to wait for a new condition to open up, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I'm long today. I really do not want to go short. So let's see, dude. Let's see what we can do. I really do like longs up to here. Shit like that. So this gap needs filled. Even though we do got an SMT with ES, because ES did come up here and kind of fill this gap a little bit. On the 4-hour, on ES, I can see us coming up and taking out these highs. NQ, I can see us coming up and filling this 4-hour gap here. So yeah, we got pretty bullish on the day. It looks like we already made the bottom of that fucking daily candle, but we might shit to bet off market open, come down into this 4-hour, or just come down to that hourly, whatever one we can find a good trade out of. I'd love to take maybe like a resweep with this London low, an SMT with that, tapping into this hourly, look for instant longs off market open. I don't know, little Judas swing. We're just gonna have to see how it plays out. Longs do look good up here, so make sure everything works how it should. Let's reset this, make sure that everything's good. All right, we're logged in. As long as I'm logged in, I'd cry if it logged me out. But yeah, longs look good for me. Shorting, I don't think we're gonna get shorts. We got this hourly gap right under is a 4-hour. It just doesn't seem right to wait for an inverse here just to catch a small short, not even in premium, down to the 4-hour. So I'd rather wait to see if this 4-hour gives me a long opportunity or this hour here. So let's go. I feel like this is small. We'll open this up a little bit more. All right, sweet. Let's get it, baby. Nah, it's a little too big. A little too big. There we go. Alrighty, it is 9:29. Market just opened now. See what we're doing here. We just tapped into that hourly right there. Beautiful. Let's see if we're going to inverse this hourly completely. So ES looks like it might inverse this hourly here. This one hasn't taken out London low yet. This one's going straight to that 4-hour, so we're absolutely tumbling down to that 4-hour gap. Let's see what we do. Let's see what market wants to do. I think we got unemployment claims at 8:30. We got unemployment claims 8:30, so we can go here and mark out 8:30 news high. Oh, look at that, even a better draw on liquidity. We have this 8:30 news high that hasn't been swept. I'm gonna make that red just so my dumb ass don't forget. Just took out London low. we still want to wait for like a 5-minute continuation, like a new conditioner form. What are we doing here? Oh wow, look at that. Respecting this hourly pretty good. Okay, I thought I had that marked out. It's just taking forever to load. Alright. So that's that 4-hour gap here. Alright. SMT here. Just took out midnight open. I don't know why my chart's taking so long to update. It's so annoying. Alright, there we go. Why is my chart not updating, bro? I'm not gonna switch back and forth from ES to NQ without it updating every single time. That's just annoying. Come on, charts. Do your job, man. You got one job. Not to make sure my order blocks, my liquidity lines, and everything's there. Did everything just get deleted? Yeah. Literally, this is the story of my life. They don't want me to be profitable. Wait, how come I can see it on the 4-hour, but if I go to like any other time frame, I don't know. Whatever. Lock in. We're almost to this 4-hour. Looking good for longs back up to this zone. We got news high here, hasn't been swept yet. We got this order block here that hasn't been tapped into yet. We're setting up really good for longs right now. So we'll just give it time to brew up a little bit, let it tap into that 4-hour down there. Let's see what market wants to do after that, maybe. Tap into that 4-hour now. Alright, we're in that 4-hour, baby. I guess we do have this SMT as well. From here to here. Look, I don't know why my shit's not loading, guys. That shit's weird as fuck. Of course it's gonna do this shit to me. I'm so sad. Why is none of my shit showing? It doesn't want me to win. I don't know. It's so weird though. I cannot believe it's doing that to me right now. I don't know. Let's just clear everything. It tells me I have no drawings or nothing already, bro. I gotta reset that shit. Reset. Bing, 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 bing. Alright. Bearish SMT with this high here. We got this 4-hour here. We got. Only thing I see is we got this news high here that hasn't been swept yet. We got that gap right here. We got this SMT though. We just have that 4-hour. I'm kind of upset, like, why all my shit won't work right now, but whatever. It's just like the same old shit all the time, you know. We're gonna become profitable while shit is broken. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got this 4-hour inverse. I didn't even see that. Is that inverse or no? Dude, that does kind of look like an inverse, but it's so hard to tell on the 4-hour. Hourly inverse? No. $15-minute inverse. So we can come back up here. Alrighty. Got that news high, guys. Why is all my, what's it doing, guys? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? It's so bugged out. TradingView is so bugged out right now, guys. Literally the most bugged out platform in the whole entire nation of day trading. TradingView's fucked. Everything's fucked. Alright, lock in, twin. Lock in, twin. Bro, I have no idea what's going on with my charts right now, bro. It's the biggest delay ever. I'm gonna enter a trade, and just as long as it takes for this stuff to update all my shit, it's gonna do the same shit the other way. Let's try to reload fucking this shit. Leave this. Trading view, new tab. Please don't be bugged up. I will just trade without order blocks and everything, for real. We'll give it time, guys. It's a very slow process to being able to lock in some good trades. I really don't know what to say about this shit right now. It will not let me on TradingView. There we go. Holy absolute. Everything's still gone. A little depressing, but, you know, alright, let's go back to the 4 hour. Check out the 4 hour. We're in the 4 hour pretty good. Check out this shit. Alright. You would still need to wait for a 5-minute continuation longs. But Jesus. All I gotta say is my computer needs to start acting like a man. Good sweep of that. The 4 hour. I'm really liking this sweep here. Let's see if we can get some sort of. Oh yeah, I really like that. So now we gotta wait for a new 5-minute condition. Trading's so fun. I love just this waiting game. Makes it so much fun. It's the most boringest job in the world. 1 hour a day, you just sit here and stare waiting for a setup. I do like this 4 hour whereby you got sweeper here. I really hold that shit tight. We didn't end up inversing this hourly. Looks good. So sweeping midnight open, closing. We're in premium for longs now. This shit is so broken though. Like my shit's so laggy today, bro. It's actually depressing. Hopefully it doesn't fuck me. 8:30 news high. I want that shit bad. But with this slow market, it might never fucking happen. My shit's lagging so bad. It's so slow today. Let's see. ES has not swept out Asia low, and Q has. SMT at the lows. It definitely looks like from a high time frame 15-minute that we're gonna just absolutely just take out Asia low. Asia low. Let's go back and look at this 4 hour. It's looking like we really want to come down to this 4 hour on both indexes. So, yeah. Just with this 8:30 news high up here, and we're in a 4 hour bullish gap on NQ, I'm just not taking fucking shorts, bro. Shorts can suck my dick, literally. which will invalidate that SMT. Dude, we're cooked, bro. My computer's cooked. Can't even go on ES. NQ, I mean. NQ, ES. Holy shit. Holy shit, boys. We might be fucked here, boys. We might be fucked. Might be fucked here. Might be fucked here. Let's wait for this 5-minute new condition to open up. You can easily come up and tap into this 5-minute and go lower, but it's not premium. Plus, news high hasn't been swept. I'm just not taking shorts, bro. We'll see how this shit plays out, though. Jesus. Shitty SBA right now. Shitty PI.
Listen, I tried using finasteride to save my hair, but I just got tons of side effects, so I just buzzed all my hair off anyway. I tried using topicals, but that didn't work. And in the end, I just had to get a hair transplant. But it still left me with really thin and see-through hair. But now I've got...
For all the funded traders out there that are like on Instagram or you see out there...
Wait, how long would it...
For all the funded traders out there that are like on Instagram or you see out there... Dude, these guys are a fucking cult. Like, all the NQ traders are making their own model and just, like, making up strategy names. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just funny to me. Because I just trade stocks, normal stocks, like options, and I trade a strategy that has been around for hundreds of years in the USIC, so it's a complete, like, verified strategy. And all I'm trying to do is fucking invest my money into stocks.
I'm back testing, trading, and right now I have no car. This next clip, you're gonna see me in a very, very fast car.
Alright, still holding a great sweep here. Market's very undecisive on what it wants to do. Do we get a SMT at the low? We'll see here. My computer just has to do its thing, do its job, I love it. I don't know why my shit's so slow today, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it, dude. The market doesn't want me to be a trader anymore. Holy shit, bro. This shit is ass, tits, and AIDS. Come on, bro. Holy shit. I'm literally running an Ethernet cable, guys. Lock in, twin. Lock in, twin. Fuck. Well, I guess his little baby SMT took us all... I mean, sorry, I forgot we did have this high time fast. We're in this 4 hour still. If we go all the way down to here, I'll shit my pants. Like, there's no way we're not coming up here. There's no way we're not going to respect this 4 hour and come back up. I don't believe it. Jesus, my shit is cooked though, guys. Cooked. Absolutely cooked, bro. I might be the most cooked trader in the United States right now. It's bad. Alright. with these crazy ass sweeps right now? I'm confused for real. So it looks like, does look like NQ is gonna, ES is gonna go down to this 4-hour gap. Very confident in that happening now, probably, because, and then once both indexes tap into this 4-hour, then we could possibly look for longs after that. But it's looking like we want this 4-hour down here on ES. High time frame SMT. We're inversing this 4-hour here. I mean, shit, dude. The thing that's funny as fuck to me is NQ never inverse no 4-hour gaps. That's why I'm not holding that shit like accountable. Like, yes, we have a bearish SMT. We inverse this 4-hour gap, but again, NQ is looking great for longs. ES is looking like maybe good shorts to here. That's about it. I wouldn't try to come all the way down to like this low. I don't know. It's just high time frame, you know. I see market wanting to come take up these highs, not just react to this SMT and take out these lows. But we got NQ. Definitely could come down all the way down to here, but it would have to inverse this whole ass 4-hour gap. And that's the funny thing about it is, like, I'm not taking a trade after we inverse this 4-hour gap. It's stupid. I'd rather just take another L today and not take any trades. Would it be an L? I guess it wouldn't be. Sorry. It wouldn't be an L. To be honest with you guys, it would just be a no trading day, which is fine. But it'd be nice to fucking. We got news low up here. We got all these gaps that haven't been tapped into with fucking 8:30 news high rate. Bro. Ain't no way ES swept news high. I'm counting this as news high. I feel like an SMD. Wait, hold up, bro. There's no way. We took out 8:30 news high. We definitely did. I mean, we took it out as clear as day. Here, look at this 8:30 news high. Bro, how come NQ always looks good for longs? Like yesterday. Yesterday I did not take a trade because ES looked like for example, on the 4-hour chart. Inversing this 4-hour right here. I'm like, all right, dude. We're setting up great for shorts right now. But with ES just tapping into this 4-hour, leaving a news high up here, a bunch of unfilled gaps. Like, sorry, not a bunch, but go to the 5-minute, all the way up to here. Like, it's just crazy. Oh, we did end up tapping into that 3-minute, but it wasn't a 5-minute, it was a 3-minute. And I'm not taking the 3-minute inverses, dude. Gotta itch my head. Could add application audio. Okay. I don't think it's gonna let me open up. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Discard. Alright. So fucking slow, dude. I'm about to punch this damn computer. Look, my shit just completely froze, dude. Let's just sit here. This is how hard my life can be. The minute I touch fucking 10 rackaroonies, dude, I'm fucking buying me a nice ass PC, bro. This shit's ass. Makes me want to have like extreme. Nobody's in the general chat. Crazy. Huh. Crazy. No one wants to do the general chat anymore, I guess. Oh, we did tap into a 5-minute. I didn't see that. That's my fault. My shit lags too much. Still not in premium. Still not a good trade. I think it's ass as fuck. Bootiest trade ever. Whoever took that shit, you're unprofitable as fuck. So now we wait. We wait for ES to tap into this 4 hour, because you know what it wants to do.
$10:30. I'm doing 10:30 today, bro.
Oh my god, look at my freaking kid when he was just a little baby, bro. That's wild. Look at that, dude. Little baby Grayson right there, dude. Look at his little chunky butt. Alright, slowly but surely we're getting down here. This just looks like shit now. 830 news high on ES swept, NQ hasn't swept it, but it's not looking good. It looks like we might be coming all the way down to these lows, which I'm not here for it. I'm not taking shorts. I told myself with a 4 hour gap like this, we're inside of it. I'm not taking shorts out of that. Got me fucked up. Sit here and wait.
Yeah, this shit's ugly as fuck. This nigga just got his back tatted. Looks like shit.
Look at that, dude. That is an ugly ass tattoo right there. That shit looks like straight cheese. on, baby. Took out that liquidity, tapped that 4 hour, and go the fuck back up before I freak out. It's almost 10 a.m., so hopefully we'll get something. Either way, we gotta wait for a whole new 5-minute condition to the upside, or a whole new bullish fair value gap to open up. Alright. Inside this 4 hour now. Let's see if you can get this rotate back up. Failed to inverse this 4 hour. Failed, by the way. So this is showing me that we could possibly get like a little wick here. Start working our way back up to that news high. Hopefully. Please do your job. I'm gonna watch ETFs for a second because we just tapped into this 4 hour. I want to see what it wants to do now. There's that nice sweep of that 4 hour gap. Let's see if we can work our way back up Jesus Christ. This might be it, boys. We might be looking for a setup. I like that. I like that a lot. This trade looks really nice right here, but I'll wait for a new 5-minute condition to the upside. What a sweep. I like that. I don't know why I still have all this shit on here. My bad, guys. Wow. Just to suck back down like that. It's crazy. Watch how much people can be like, bro, I took the 1-minute inverse and it came down, don't be SMT. That's why you guys gotta wait for it. Once we're bearish like this, you wanna wait for a new 5-minute condition to form. Why is everyone texting these group chats like this?
I have to start trailing here soon. Okay. Alright. Okay. You know what? Yeah, I forgot to update this. ES filled the gap completely, and then we made an SMT here, so I closed it right there for a 127 instead of a 1211. 711, 911, 811, 812. Okay, so Minox.
I don't know if you've seen anything going on about DIDN, but pretty much he got exposed for being a fucking LARP. And now that I'm looking at it, you know, I have a Discord that you are probably well aware of, and he has put in a model that is quite similar to the motion model. You know, IFVG one.
Oh, like, stop tagging me in these videos and shit, bro. I don't really care about what anybody else is doing, to be honest. You know, I just do my shit, and then that's it. So don't DM.
We might just shit all the way down to here, bro. It's just not looking good. It's not. I do got this 15-minute gap here that we just about to form, but damn, I do not want to take fucking. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for a new 5-minute condition to form. It's 10:07. About to be time to get the fuck off this bitch. We don't get any entries. Yeah. Fun stuff. I wonder if we could play some music. Best on copyright rap. There we go. Fuck it, we're listening to dubstep music. This shit's so tits. We're just gonna close that shit. Yeah, my shit. Every time I try to load shit like that, it just sounds like ass. So, oh my fucking god, this shit's annoying. Why does market suck so bad?
Yo, money can't buy you happiness, man, but I'd rather sit in this Lambo and cry. It's everyone, man. It's your boy Junior. I'm now under the management of D-Crown Promotions. Yo, DM me for promos or collabs, I'm gonna keep you fucking headed. It's everyone, man. It's your boy Junior.
Yes, people. I'm here with Junior from Big Crown Promotions. Junior, obviously, we've been able to do a post-fight interview with all of the fighters.
It's everyone, man.
Nazi, you promise that you're going to excellent with them.
We got Shumas here. Shumas, you come out. We got Mr. T, the beast from the east. Mr. T, you knocked him literally out.
Let's see if we can get a 5-minute, dude. So it's like shit, bro. Like straight shit. A 4-hour close like this, another one about to close. I'm not waiting for another 4 hour. Got me fucked up. Shit's crazy though, bro. We got another hourly here, just tapped into. Just taking out all these fucking guys. I don't know. Might have to call it, boys. Looking like another shit day. Another day, another dollar. Actually, another $0. Huh. It's just not looking good, man. We might just pump like a chump, man. Pump like a chump. There's honestly, I might sound stupid and crazy, but I feel like, in my opinion, there's a lot of LR here, and there's LR here to this news high. There's gaps that we haven't tapped into yet. This fucking 3-minute gap, retarded. Like this 5-minute gap we haven't tapped into yet. All these gaps, not tapped, LR, news high, untapped gap here, untapped 4-hour up here. I'm surprised we shit like this, for real, I'll be real as fuck for you guys. And then we're cooking, bro. Like, this shit's cooking down, like, insane. Hop is like crypto. 2015, bro.
I'm with AP, I'm with the Iraqi warrior. I'm with Mohit Gujar.
Shit should not be pumping anymore like this, bro. Shit is insane. Oh, shit, bro. Initiative for anything. Dude, this market sucks. Fuck no.
I say fuck no, bro.
This
It's
is-
just shitty.
This is back-to-back days of just like nothing. I had a long bias because of those 4-hour gaps, and I was like, maybe we'll get something. Nothing, bro. Nothing. And I was like, I'm not gonna short when NQ's in this fat ass 4-hour. Even though ES inversed that first 4-hour gap, I was like, I'm not gonna take a short when NQ's sitting in this fat ass 4-hour gap.
And like, I would like if we created a decent like and then retraced.
Yeah.
50 points, 60 points, then I would have taken like a continuation.
Yeah, shit
But we
was.
just don't even get like a goddamn chance, bro.
I'm just like, fuck. It's just 2 days in a row. I'm just like the same shit. Ugh.
Yeah, it was kind of baloney.
And I'm gonna sit here for like.
I thought it was
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm probably done now actually because we took the 4-hour out real quick. Yeah, we just took out this last 4-hour gap, and it looks like we're just gonna inverse this 4-hour and come down all the way down here for these lows, and I pretty much missed it by, which is fine, because when that hourly closed and NQ didn't even inverse that gap, even if we waited for that NQ 4-hour inverse, it was just like, just so far down out of premium. It just like what you said, maybe if you would have like returned to one of those like 15-minute gaps or something and got good shorts out of there, but it was kind of like, ugh, bro. And then the only reason why I also didn't like shorts is because NQ had that a red folder 830 news high that never got swept right here. So this high right here, that high right there was an untapped news high. So I was like, I'm not taking shorts until at all. Actually, I really wanted to see that swept. And then right above that news high, we had this opening gap right above it, and then right above that we had. Yeah, right above that we had a 4-hour bullish for value gap. I wanted to see price come back up out of one of those 4 hours and come up here, but looks like
currently rejecting off of 50.
Yeah.
But like, I think we're
we're taking out these lows for sure. I don't know. It's crazy that we're gonna come all the way back down for these lows like that, but it's whatever, bro. Kind of blows.
Here's how much the market's moved. I mean, it's fucking dumped, bro. Like,
Just dumb.
incredibly.
Yeah. But yeah. Did you trade yesterday?
We moved. Yeah, I took like $100 loss.
Oh yeah, it was weird yesterday. I don't know.
I took a continuation in premium.
Yeah. Okay. No. I think that's what Patty took. Was it the same one Patty took?
Did he post on one?
Yeah, he's been posting hella videos. I've been watching him. Just like, yeah. He's posted like 8 new videos since he just came back. But check him out in your free time and shit. But,
Let me look. I don't see anything unless I missed it.
fuck. Oh wait, on his channel? He posts.
Is he on TikTok or is it on his
No, it's YouTube.
Is he, I have no idea.
Yeah, he's been posting on YouTube for the past week and a half now, like every day. So he finally posted that back testing shit.
Oh yeah, actually I probably will.
Yeah, when you get free time, definitely check that out. Just watch it. Just get your brain back.
I will watch some of that shit. Yeah, he should have taken it because like that was just a what's it called? Like a fuck, I forget what they call it. Like when it's just like you trade out of like and that was just a pattern trade. I
Yeah.
shouldn't have done it.
Yeah, it's all right, bro. Fucking, I think that's a trade that was it a 5-minute inverse you entered on,
Yeah.
bro. That's the same trade Patty took, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he lost it. Want to know why you lost that trade? Because Trump tweeted about crude oil at 10:30, and right after he dropped that, that's when he got stopped out. I seen it online. I was like, no way. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. It's just I didn't end up taking that trade because of the premium and shit, and I was just like,
I shouldn't have. I should have waited for us to come back down.
yeah, it was like 10:30, and we had all that LR. It was 10:30, and I was like, man, we're up here. I was like, I'm just gonna walk away from this one for once and fucking. All right, bro. I just wanted to check in and see how the fuck you've been doing this past 2 days. I've just been fucking chilling.
Not much.
I tried to join the call like at like 10:15 after like market slows down a little bit, but no one's in the call.
We're out.
Yeah.
I was in it for like 15
Yeah.
Literally shitting. Like,
Yeah.
we are rejecting off this fucking 15 right now. If we can create a new condition and then tap back in, I would so fucking do. But I think we're just gonna continue to dump.
Yeah.
1000%.
Well, if you look at the higher time frame, we just inversed at 4 hours, so I see us at least taking out some of those lows, like all that, like at least a couple of that LR below. But you never know. I'm gonna sit here till 10:30, 10:35, and if I don't see a 5-minute condition getting tapped into, or I don't even know, but we're so low down here. I think I'm just gonna call it for real, for real.
Yeah, no, that's probably the most valid thing to do.
But
Most valid.
I don't know. I'm probably gonna watch this for a minute because we are returning up to this 5-minute now, and if I could catch a little some, I might take this shit for real. We'll see.
I'm gonna wait for a new condition to even get formed.
So like for that 5-minute. So if we tap into this 5-minute condition here, and well, it looks like it's price action.
I wouldn't take a continuation short at this point for real. We've already dropped 400 points.
Yeah, plus that makes sense. You're right. We're also about to come out of that 4-hour bullish gap. It looks like right there. If we do want to go back up, but
I would need us to make a new 5-minute.
If we inverse this 5-minute right here, this 5-minute here, that would be titties, bro. But if
it has to be the second one. But even then, at that point.
Oh yeah.
I would just
well, what I'm saying is like if we can inverse this 5-minute and open a new bullish 5-minute.
Oh, I see what you're saying. And we tap back in.
And then trade out of that new bullish 5-minute condition.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see with the first 4 hours that we tapped into. I was like,
I know,
open up a new 5-minute condition after that. Would trade out of there. Nothing.
Instead of be kind of just like fooled around for fucking 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's like fuck, dude.
Hey, I'm fine. At least I didn't lose money. So
yeah, I'm just like sitting here. I see like the robot aspect of just sitting here. And now look, bro, we about came up and tapped that 4 hour just to come all the way back down and reject and go right back down.
Right.
Yeah, but all right, brother, I'm calling it for the day. I just wanted to call and see how you did today and shit. I'm sure. I figured you were in the same boat I was today, so I thought I'd call you.
No, yeah, fucking the entire world must have been like there's no entries. I don't know how people did that shit. Don't know.
Yeah.
Don't know.
All right, bro. Are you about to go work out and shit? No, I forgot you work out before market open like I do now.
I'll tell you, I have a big ass presentation, so I have to go practice that. Throw my suit and tie and fucking.
Hell yeah! Congrats, bro. We'll lock in with that. Have a good one, bro.
A little bit. I appreciate it, bro.
I'll talk to you tomorrow, dude.
Bro,
Wait, I have a question. Are you gonna be in town this weekend?
Oh yeah, not this weekend. I
Good.
should be back. Like next Wednesday night's like Thursday. It's like a week.
I'm going to Miami, Florida this weekend, so I was like, fuck.
Oh. No, that works. Yeah, I'll be back in like a week.
I gotta go LARP. I'm just kidding. All right, big dog. I'll talk to you later. Good luck on your presentation, bro. Wait, are you just practicing it? Is this practice?
Yeah, it's on my. No, it's like the real deal. I'm gonna just go practice it.
Oh shit. Well, good luck, bro. For real.
Appreciate it, bro. Enjoy Florida.
Thank you, bro. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Peace.
Uses.
We're done for the day, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm sorry for another boring ass video today. Hopefully tomorrow we can catch a banger trade. If you guys haven't already, follow, like, and subscribe. If you made it this far in the video, DM me. I will give you guys a free funded account. Just kidding, not yet, but I'm going to start doing that in the future. So, I love you guys. Don't forget to stay disciplined with your trading if you want to make it out the matrix, baby. But, yeah. Market's ass. It's whatever. Make sure you guys don't trade shit like this ever.